What do you mean? What gear you're in and stuff? It takes a long time. Just remember, you go all the way down and you're going to get first gear. And if you go just slightly up from that, you'll be in neutral. It takes a long time. I still forget sometimes. Once you master that, you'll be queen of the road. Doing really good though. I'm proud of her. It's taking those corners pretty quick and pretty tight. That's really good. Doing some shifting gears and turning the corners at the same time. It's pretty brave. Not so windy today as it was last weekend. I think I'm going to stop her here on her next pass and start telling her to start using her turn signals before she makes her turns, and then to shut them back off. Okay, what gear are you in?
First.
Okay. What I want you to start doing is using your turn signals. Don't mess with the gears now. Okay? Turn signals. Left. Right. So before you go into your corners, turn your turn signals on, and then when you come out of your corners, shut them back off, and that's, you just push that back to the center then. Okay? Oh, there you got the turn signal on. Oops. Got them on. I suppose she's just going to keep going around in circles now so she doesn't have to shut them off. There you go. She's got the other one on. Very good. You got them shut off. Remembering to shut the turn signals off is one of the things that everybody kind of forgets when they're riding a motorcycle. Hey. She's really got to think about it, though, I bet. Now throw in some shifting with it. Oh, she remembered. I thought she was going to forget. Wow, she's doing really good. She has not laid the bike down yet. One of these days she's going to, and hopefully she doesn't get hurt, but she's doing really good. She's almost ready to go out on the street. Almost. Not sure what she's doing. Trying to figure out what gear she's in, I think. I think she just started out in second. That's alright. Alright, my arm's getting sore. I'm going to have to quit recording for a while. Oh, she shut it off. Let's take a break. How's it going?
Fine.
Fine? Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can shut the bike off.